Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and device requirements so voice works reliably. Sign into Roblox, make sure your account is age verified, and voice chat is toggled on. This unlocks voice features on VR. Next, connect a good microphone. Built-in VR mics work, but USB or Bluetooth headsets usually sound better. Once done, open your headset or OS settings and grant microphone permission. This step prevents access blocks and explains why voice won't transmit if the permission is missing. Now you join a voice-enabled VR experience and configure in-game audio so others hear you clearly. Enter the game, open Roblox's in VR menu, then go to Settings Audio to pick your mic input and adjust sensitivity. This prevents clipping or too low volume. Make sure spatial audio or 3D audio is enabled if the game supports it. It places voices around you and improves immersion. If there's a push-to-talk option, choose it for noisy environments. Otherwise, finish by testing and securing your voice session so you keep control. Call a friend or use the in-game test tool to confirm your mic and speaker levels. Make adjustments in the menu until voices are clear. When done, mute or leave the voice channel and tighten privacy settings in Roblox Privacy to control who can speak to you. If something fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to recheck microphone permissions and headset connections. Then restart the game and headset. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.